Loy Yang A supplies approximately 30% of the total electricity consumed in Victoria, and therefore it's important that we do these maintenance outages on the units. We can make sure that they can run reliably. That's required from a sustainability perspective, but also from a safety perspective.
So safety is important, day to day in BAU and maintenance, but extremely in outages too, due to the fact of the sheer increase in numbers that we have, complex work scopes and a lot of high risk activities. So that's the main reason safety is important during outages. And it also keeps people going home safe and well every day.
This outage required 1,000 different people to contribute to the outage, and the disciplines that were involved were engineering, there was mechanical workers, electrical, scaffolding, safety. So there were a lot of different disciplines all working together.
Strong collaboration between AGL and our embedded partners and contractors is really important. Working together ensures that we're going to get the best outcome from the outage and ensuring therefore that we get the efficiency out of the plant that we need for the future.
Key works completed during the major outage were the LP turbine rotors. We replaced those, the HP and IP overhauls, generator rotor replacements and boiler plant inspections and repairs.
So the total cost for the outage was just over $120 million, which is a significant investment into our assets. Loy Yang A is a critical part of the electricity supply in Victoria. We need to ensure that we can supply that electricity reliably over the next 10-year period as we run towards targeted closure in 2035.
The outage team in particular have been incredible. Everybody's extremely passionate about their role and the role that they can play, and you really feel the excitement when things are going well, and certainly when we have those challenges you see everybody band together to get through and get that right answer and solve the problem that we're having, so that again we're putting that support in and we're working together to get the best outcome.
The outage team has faced quite a number of challenges. They have shown exceptional resilience in terms of dealing with these challenges. Typically with an outage, you would require people to spend long hours at work to ensure that we can execute the work safely and that we can bring back the unit reliably. But my message to the outage team, and that's for the AGL employees as well as all our contractor employees, well done on firstly delivering a safe outage. We've had a few minor issues, but we've had nothing major in terms of safety incidents, which is always good. We've had a number of challenges during the shut. The outage teams with the contractor support have dealt with those really well to make sure that we can bring this unit back reliably.
I'd just like to thank everybody who was involved for all the effort that was put in, the interruptions that came from being part of the outage. It's a huge project, and it's within work hours and outside work hours, and just the passion, you could see it on the people working out there, and thanks for making it a safe one.